Thank you so much for coming to hear Tara Talk Taxes. My name is Tara, and let's take a few moments of your time to talk about taxes. If you're new here, we talk about taxes, not as much the history, but how to understand how it affects you and your paycheck. This series is about taxes starting from your first job or you're transitioning to a new one. We learn about what comes out of your paycheck and what to expect as your withholdings for each tax filing status. In our last video, we talked about what comes out of your paycheck, including FICA, Medicare, and Social Security. Now grab a pen and some paper. We're going to talk about the withholdings from $0 to $175,000 and what that looks like for those who are filing as single or married filing separately. This is a table that shows the breakdown of the withholding totals to be expected per income level and tax bracket. Take a look at the first column. It shows $0 to $9,999. If you earn less than $10,000, expect to have a total of $240 to be withheld to pay for FICA, Medicare, and Social Security by the end of the year. When you make $10,001 or more, the tax bracket changes to a total of $870 to be withheld per year. That total amount will begin to change as your earnings increase. Now let's go to the row to the far left and look at the bottom of the second tax bracket where it says $60,000 to $79,999. Look at the column we looked at before. The amount expected to be withheld when you make your first $9,999. Where we looked at it was showed $240 in the current tax bracket. The amount expected now is estimated $1,870. As you make more throughout the year, the total amount would increase to $8,970. Again, as the total increases, let's not forget from the first video, we saw that the totals are based on the highest paying job and shows what to expect as the total withholdings with multiple jobs. From the second video, we talked about the 3 types of federal taxes that are withheld and the cap of withholdings per tax bracket. In the last column to the far right, we see the max to be $120,000. After that total amount is withheld, the employer is no longer responsible for all additional taxes owed. At $168,600, the employee pays all of the taxes owed and may activate the additional 0.9 tax, which is called the additional Medicare tax. Be aware of the income to know what to expect to come out of your paycheck. If you have more than the totals are shown coming out of your paycheck, expect to receive a refund. If you have any questions about this subject or other videos, add them below in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow this channel and share on Instagram at Tara Talks Taxes. Till next time.